Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to add an account to Monday.com, the versatile project management platform. First step, head over to Monday.com's main page. The reason we start here is because you need to create your workspace. So, click on the Sign Up button. This takes you to the account creation page where you'll input your work email. Enter your details and click Continue. Now you might wonder why it asks for a work email. This is because Monday.com is geared towards businesses and organizations, so it uses this information to help tailor your experience. Next up, you'll see a screen asking for more information like your name, company name, and team size. Fill these in and click Continue. This helps Monday.com to better understand your team's needs and tailor the platform to suit your requirements. You're then prompted to set a password. Choose something strong and secure, then click Continue. It's important to protect your account with a robust password to ensure your data's safety on the platform. Now that we've done that, Monday.com will ask you a few questions about your goals on the platform. Answer these as accurately as possible. The reason we do this is because Monday.com uses your answers to customize your workspace, making it easier for you to hit the ground running. You're almost there. The final step is to confirm your email address. Just head over to your inbox, open the email from Monday.com, and click on the confirmation link. This step is crucial because it verifies that you own the email address and prevents unauthorized use. And there you have it. With those steps, you've added your account to Monday.com. Now you're ready to start organizing, tracking, and managing your work more efficiently. Remember, the platform is designed to be intuitive, so don't be afraid to explore and experiment. Thanks for watching, and here's to better project management with Monday.com.